Nice pretty little flakes. All right, good morning everyone. This is the Florida rain tree. Let me see if I get something decent out of this. I just want to spit some wood this morning. So, got able to get this up. So what I'm gonna do is put a tenon on this side, put this one flat. Try to get as much as this out of here as I can, this punkiness. Hopefully that center can get out of there. And we'll see. And then turn it around, go down and keep some of the weirdness. All right, anywho, let me see what kind of mess I can make. Can't get any closer there. All right, let's see what happens. Yep, aren't sitting up there too much. Nice pretty little flakes. Whee! Dang! I ripped that whole damn thing out. Look at that. I have to make another tenon. Woo! There she goes. Nice little bowl. Got to get some finish on it. But I gotta wait for it to come in. So for now, we're just wanting to mess around with it. I guess overall it ain't too bad. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. All right, here's the final product. Ended up being an ashtray. It turned out really nice. Going from the bowl side, but I need an ashtray outside in the pool area, so I decided to go ahead and just burn this out right there, sand it all down, clean it all up, no spots, nice. Got some good, what did I put on, lacquer? So, I mean, it's got the cracks. Of course it's gonna show cracks. I mean, that's the beauty of the piece. What do you see in the front? Me? I see elephant feet. Nice ashtray though. All right, y'all, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.